Hello everybody, and today we'll talk about HTML links. So let's go. So the first and the main purpose for which we use links, I think it's navigating inside your site. So for example, I have index.html and I want from it go to about HTML. So to do this, I need to create inside my body tag, anchor tag, and add an attribute called hyperreference. And inside quotes, I need to write path to my file. In my case, it's about HTML, but it's have to be path. For example, if you have about HTML in another folder, for example, called services, so you have to write services backslash and then about HTML. But in my case, I have about HTML in main folder, so I don't need this. And there inside anchor tag, you need to write some definition or name to anchor tag, so you can see it on the page. I'll write just about, and now we can open index.html in browser. I use a live server for this. So as you can see, there we have about link. It's underlined and blue, and when we hover over this, it open and about HTML, so it works. Another useful thing what I want you to show is we can place into anchor tag not just a text but entire tag. For example, div. In this case, div will be child of anchor tag. So let's add some class in this div so we can style it a little bit. Let it called just div. And now if we go to style CSS and reference to our div, so now we can set width to 200 pixels and height to 100 pixels, and also I want to set background color to orange. Now save and refresh the page and you can see big orange rectangle. And if you put the cursor on the rectangle, you see that it changed. It means that it's all entire rectangle. It's a link. So if we press it, we go to the about HTML. But if we don't want to navigate to another page of our site, but we want to go to another site, for example, so it's also very easy. Let's create a new anchor tag, and in hyperreference quotes, just place a URL to your site. For example, I place a URL to my YouTube channel. So I just copy this and place it there, and also want to write some text there. It will be dev. Save this, and if we go to our index.html and press dev link, so we go to my channel. But as you can see, this link opens in the same tab, and if you want that users don't leave your site, you can open this link in the new tab. To do this, you have to add a new attribute to anchor tag called target, and in quotes just write underscore and blank. Now save and refresh the page, and now when we click on the link dev, it opens in the new tab. And the last thing what I want you to show, it's very useful when you have a lot of content on your page and you want to navigate people to some point of it. For example, you have a long article and in the top you have a list of sections, and when people click on a special section, you will navigate them to this section. So let's add in the top of our body new anchor tag called link, and hyperreference will be empty for now. Then let's add some content to our page. I just copied from my notes. You can write whatever you want. And let's move a link to my channel to the bottom of this page. So if we want to go from our first link to the dive link, we have to add one more attribute called ID. And in my case, ID will be called channel, but you can write any text you want there. So to refer from top link to the dive link, we have to write in quotes of hyperreference hash plus ID of the link we want to refer or whatever we want. We can just refer to text, to div even. But in our case it will be hash and channel. So now if you save and refresh the page, we can see a lot of content, but when we click on the link, it moves us to the bottom link. So that's all what I want you to show today. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit a like button, and also write a comment, and see you in the next video.